Good evening, good morning, guys and gals, depending on what time you're watching this, where you're watching this at in the world. This is Chris again, the Watch Lounge, coming at you with another unboxing. This is a triple unboxing, as the title states. Now, I'm not going to do a wrist check because I am actually wearing one of the watches that I will technically be unboxing, I guess, if that makes sense. But of course, I had already unboxed these guys. Two are microbrands. I guess the third you can technically call a microbrand. Spinnaker is still a microbrand. Now, Spinnaker was kind enough to send, as I'm always transparent, Spinnaker did send this watch to me to keep and review, so I just wanted to get that out of the way, which will not knock on the review or anything at all. Of course, I'll be honest about the watch, my thoughts and feelings. So far, I'm liking it, except for a few nitpicky things, which I'll show you here in a second. But on to the watches. This one was sent in by my buddy Alvin over at Kaal Watches, guys. I don't know if you know the Multiverse. He sent this one in, which is pretty cool. If you guys remember the Arnold and Sons, the Globetrotter that I had in a while back, this is kind of paying homage to that. Definitely a cool watch, especially for the price. This is one of the prototypes, guys. Look for a full review of this coming up soon. This is a killer watch. I don't know if it's necessarily one I would buy, maybe for like a wild card watch in the collection. But it's definitely pretty cool to see. Pretty cool to see all the details and everything on this one, guys. That's the Kaal watch, guys. And then he also sent me in. Now, this is my first time actually opening this box. This should be a Vario. Yes, it is. A Vario Empire, I believe it's called. These have a very Art Deco kind of 20s, 30s design language kind of feel to them. Pretty cool watch. This is definitely pretty cool. Definitely cool to check this one out. And again, look for a full review on this one coming up. Now again, like I said, these two were just lent in, but the third one again is what's sent into the channel, this Spinnaker here. I'll have to do more research. I'm just going to show you guys the box. I'm already kind of wearing it. Now, no real big fanfare here. Now, this is the Spinnaker, the SB063, 062, I believe. I can't remember. I'll have to do more research on it, guys. I'm digging it so far. Overall, kind of stealthy kind of design on the looks. Now, the one thing that I did have a problem with, why I do have it on a NATO right now, which I think it goes kind of cool with this camo NATO. Pretty cool look. But, I was wearing it on the stock strap. And I don't know if it's just this one, if it was just a design flaw or what. But I actually had to, now it's come loose, but I actually had to cut the strap to get it off my wrist because the buckle was actually caught. Now, it might just be me being stupid, I don't know. But the buckle was caught, and I actually had to cut the strap off. So, which I was planning on throwing a different strap on anyways. I don't know if this will be a keeper or not. It may be. I'll probably test drive it for a little while. I'll be a daily driver. But anyways, guys, let me know what you think down in the comments about the 3 watches I got in. Are you thinking about getting any of these? Have you looked at the Kickstarter on any of these? Or do you have any experience with Spinnaker? Anyways, guys, let me know what you think down in the comments. And I will see you next time. Peace.